Hello and welcome back to today. I'll guide you through 5 stylish and sexy ways to get up from the ground. So, let's get started. Let's kick things off with the first move, where the strength of your arms plays a crucial role. Begin by laying down like this and visualize a gentle rope pulling from your hip like this and lifting you upward. The trick is to exert a strength, making the movement appear effortless. Doing it slowly adds more difficulty, so opt for a quicker pace like this. Alternatively, you can rise in the same manner, but once you're upright, add a dynamic element by descending like this, and then smoothly rise again. Let's delve into the second method. In this instance, I am facing you. Begin by passing your left leg under the right one as you simultaneously move the right leg in the opposite direction. The right leg should take the lead, with the left leg trailing behind. Once you reach this position, let your right hand sweep across in front of you and then turn your backs to the audience. Boom! From this position, smoothly rise. Repeat the sequence, starting here, cross the legs, cross again, and boom! You're back on your feet. Now let's explore the third technique, which is the simplest. Begin from a seated position with one leg bent and the other one straight, like this. From here, you can choose any direction to move. For instance, during the transition, extend your left leg upward while keeping the other bent. So slowly rise up, ensuring the bent leg stays flexed, and then extend and touch your other leg like this, maintaining a straightforward and easy movement. Now, let's explore the fourth method. Begin by positioning yourselves on your sides, leaning on your hips like this. Unlike the previous exercises where you pulled forward or to the side, this time we're going to pull backward. And now, lift yourself up like this. And finally, the last position. You might start from a flexed position with your knees on the ground, like this, coming from a previous step. What you need to do is place your hands on the ground together like this, and from there, lift your hips to rise up quickly, like this. Try to do it as sensual as possible. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.